Bar here, your favorite neighborhood Lebenskünstler. And today, I'm going to do a journal about our Airbnb here in Berat, Albania. Went up to the Airbnb here. It's a short walk from the parking. Free parking, it came with parking. But Berat's not so hectic with the parking like Tirana or some other cities. Look, they have these hooks on the ground. It's where they used to put the hook the horses to back in the Illyrian and Byzantine times. And still has very old school door and lock here. And we think, okay, well, if it locks like that from the outside, this is how it locks from the inside. It has this bolt and this big bar bolted into the stone. I don't think we need that much security, but that's what we got. So this is the living room here. It's very Berat. I mean, everything just fits the city. Here we have the little refrigerator, which we just need to put water in. We're not refrigerating a whole lot of stuff here. And this is the view from the kitchen. I don't know why I had to put all those wires there, but they're already there. This is the bathroom. It's the little washer, and then it's the dryer. Just rack dry it, save electricity. We have nice wooden ceilings here. It's just like straight from how it was 1,000 years ago, but then like kind of fixed up, you know. It's a kid's room, 2 little beds. Up here they have the master bedroom. Both the bedrooms have AC. You have a little kid's bed, like a baby bed and all kinds of stuff. And here is the view of the master bedroom. And look at that, they have like the old school wooden shutters and they just put new hardware on it so it works properly. It's pretty cool. So that's a little journal for today, just to kind of see what a average Airbnb in Berat, Albania kind of looks like. So we're going to be doing more videos around Berat for the next couple of days. So check back with us until the next time. I'll Bar Raus.